Judge is hearing both sides in the battle to bring a safe injection site to Philadelphia. The case is an important legal test in the opioid crisis. Eyewitness News reporter Greg Argos was in the courtroom today.
Your little sister, Natalie Lynch.
For the family members and friends gathered in front of the federal courthouse,
my son, J.R. Pollock.
Their pain after losing a loved one to opioids is somewhat eased by the possibility of a way to prevent other overdose deaths.
What we are trying to do is bring attention to the human cost of not having that in the city.
Jane Schul is referring to so-called safe injection sites, places where addicts could go to get high, with nurses and trained staff members on standby.
In case they overdose, they can be hit with Narcan, save their lives.
But one major obstacle exists: federal law, which states such places violate the Controlled Substances Act. So the federal government has sued Safe House, the proposed operator, hoping to stop the nonprofit from opening any safe injection sites in Philly. During Monday's hearing, proponents like Governor Ed Rendell packed the federal courtroom. Experts were questioned by both sides about how Safe House would operate such centers, likely placed in or near the Kensington area.
If we can save 100 lives a year or 50 lives a year, why aren't we doing it?
Kevin Lopez and his family operate a local mechanic shop off Allegheny Avenue.
I literally wake up or resuscitate about 4 or 5 people a week easily with Narcan.
Like this woman who OD'd this past weekend. Kevin and others living nearby oppose these facilities.
It's just not fair because we know where they're going to put these safe injection sites. It's likely going to be right around the corner from us, and then we're going to have the same problem that we have all the time.
Problems like attracting more users by creating welcome places to shoot up and get high.
It don't have to be in Kensington. Let them find another place. Put it down outside the mayor's house, see how he likes it.
This hearing is expected to continue tomorrow, and if the judge makes a decision, he could effectively stop all sites from ever opening up here in the city of Philadelphia. The other option is to simply let this lawsuit continue, and then we could see more hearings and more testimony in the months to come. Reporting here at the federal courthouse in Center City, I'm Greg Argos, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.